Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix notification sound not working on iPhone. Struggling with the silent notifications on your iPhone can be a real hassle, especially when you're missing out on important alerts. In this video, we will tackle how to get your iPhone's notification sound back in action. We will cover all the bases to ensure your iPhone keeps you in the loop. Within a few simple checks and tweaks, you will have your notification sound working perfectly, keeping you connected to what matters most. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is turning off silent mode on iPhone. Locate the small switch on the left side of your iPhone just above the volume buttons. Flipping this switch so that the orange indicator is not showing will deactivate silent mode, allowing notification sound to come through loud and clear. This quick fix is easy to overlook but essential for ensuring your alerts are audible. And the next step is deactivating Do Not Disturb and Focus modes. Another reason for silent notifications could be the Do Not Disturb or Focus modes being unintentionally enabled. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. Look for the Focus mode icon and manage your current settings. Disabling these modes will ensure your notification sounds are not being suppressed by these helpful yet potentially obstructive features. And you are done. And the next step is adjusting notification volume on iPhone. Ensuring you hear every notification is crucial for staying informed. Head to Settings, scroll down and then tap on Sound and Haptics and locate the ringtone and alert slider. This control lets you set the volume for all notifications. If you notice your notification volume changes unexpectedly, it might be due to the Change with Buttons feature. Disabling this feature will keep your notification volume consistent, regardless of changes made while playing media. And you are done. And the next step is configuring app specific notification sound. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on Notifications and scroll down to find the specific app like Messages or Email. Tap on it, then go to Sounds to toggle the notification sound on or off. Enabling this ensures you are alerted audibly every time there is a new notification from your essential apps, making sure you stay connected and responsive app notifications. And you are done. And the next step is solving silent notifications with a simple restart. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off. Wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. A successful reboot refreshes your system, potentially eliminating any temporary software bugs interfering with the iPhone's notification settings. And you are done. This solution will fix your issue of notification sound not working on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.